everybody. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing the vinegar and baking soda. Technically, you take baking soda and vinegar and it will explode. So, I think you should do it in a sink like I do. But, okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take any type of vinegar. Any type of vinegar. And then you have to have a full tablespoon of baking soda, and then you got to have the baking soda in there. I just felt like this time I was going to put 2 tablespoons. Then what you're going to do is you're going to level it, make sure it's leveled. Then I think you should put it back in there. It's better. Then you're going to put a hole with your finger in the middle, just like that. And then, yeah, guys, I felt like dyeing the vinegar. Now watch what happens. Hold up. Get you hold it. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to pour it. And make sure you pour it slowly. Okay? Watch, guys. And if you have food coloring, it's really cool. And make sure, once you are doing it, make sure it gets to that 100. If it doesn't get to 100, it's not going to do what it's supposed to do. Oh, that's real. Just give it a little bit more. Hold up, guys. You didn't get to see the full action like last time. Easy. That's what it's supposed to do. Yep, it makes a big old mess. Thank you for watching. Bye.